You're constantly told that staying connected is the key to success. But that digital noise may be quietly grinding down your nervous system. What if the most productive thing you could do today is absolutely nothing at all? No podcast, no music, no scrolling, just a silent walk, Japanese style. In Japan, there's a practice called Shinrin-yoku. It translates to forest bathing. But it's not exercise. It's not a hike for distance. It's letting your senses take a slow bath in nature. And there's a key rule most people miss: total removal of headphones and no conversation, because silence is not a missing piece. Silence is the point. Here's one reason this can help. Trees release natural compounds called phytoncides. They're part of how plants protect themselves. When humans breathe them in, studies suggest they can support relaxation responses, like lowering blood pressure and reducing stress load. This isn't magic. It's biology meeting environment. And the longer you slow down, the more your body notices it. Now, the silence part. When you remove talking and audio input, your brain stops chasing tasks. You shift from doing mode to being mode, not zoning out, just observing. You start to notice tiny details: wind, birds, your footsteps, the temperature on your skin. And that's the nervous system getting a message: I'm safe enough to soften. Let's make this practical. You can do this in a cedar forest or a local city park, even a quiet street with a few trees. Pick 10 minutes for your first try. Small is sustainable. Tell yourself, I can do anything for 10 minutes. No headphones, phone on silent, no calls, no voice notes. If you're with someone, agree up front. No talking until the end. Let this feel almost too slow, not lazy, intentional, like you're giving your nervous system time to catch up with your body. Now match your footfalls to your natural breath. No force, no big inhales. Just notice your rhythm. Try this for 1 minute. Inhale for about 3 steps. Exhale for about 4 steps. If that doesn't fit, adjust. Comfort first. Move through your senses one at a time. Sight. Notice shapes and movement in leaves. Sound. Notice the farthest sound you can hear. Touch. Notice air on your hands or face. Smell. Notice clean air, soil, plants. Body. Notice jaw, shoulders, belly. No judging, just labeling, hearing, feeling, seeing. At first, silence can feel uncomfortable because your mind gets loud when the world gets quiet. That's normal. That's not failure. Here are 3 ways to work with it. Name it gently: planning, worrying, replaying. Then, return to your next step. Use a soft, focus phrase in your mind: here or slow. Give your brain a job. Count 10 exhalations, then start again at 1. If anxiety spikes, slow down even more. Feel your feet. Look around and name 5 neutral things you see. And keep your breathing easy. This is not about escaping life. It's about training your nervous system to downshift on purpose. Small practices every day change how you sleep, think, feel, and react to stress. Try this 10-minute silent walk 3 times this week. Same route is fine. Repetition makes it easier. Save this video and do your first silent walk today, before dinner or before bed.